Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I thought today I'd do like a little Christmassy makeup look because I haven't done a Christmassy makeup look yet. So let's just get on with it. I'm going to pop my unicorn headband on, you know, to get the hair out of my face. Wow, I look like an egg. So anyways, before we get started, please do remember to smash the like button and subscribe down below. So I'm just going to start off with like a simple base. I'm going to start off with my simple moisturiser, and my camera light's flashing red. Great. Battery changed and now I can get on with the video. So I've just applied my simple moisturiser and I've already done my eyebrows. I did it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in medium brown. So let's just get on with the rest. And then next I go in with the Collection Ready Primed and Ready. And now all that's done, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear in Porcelain because I just want a light coverage, and I've totally forgot to dampen my beauty blender. Right, so I'm going to go in with my foundation now. Ah, it's so watery! Dripping down my hand. I'm not going to talk too much with this bit because I want to get onto the main Christmassy themed of the video. So foundation is all on, and now I'm going to go in with my Collection concealer. This is in the shade One Fair. I love using this concealer because I find that a lot of other concealers crease under my eyes. So then again, blend it in with a beauty blender. Now that's all on, I'm just going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte in Transparent. My Milani bronzer in the shade Dulce. I absolutely love this bronzer, amazing. Like, it's just perfect for me because I'm so light. Bronzer on. Now we're going to go in with highlighter, my absolute favourite. Right, ready? I'm going to go in with my Ofra Glazed Donut highlighter. This is just amazing. And I'm just going to pop this everywhere I would. For me, like a perfect Christmas look is like loads of glitter highlighter and like festive colours. Like, this highlighter is just so nice. Oh, I nearly dropped my eyeshadow palette everywhere. Ah! So the next thing I'm going to go in with now is eyeshadow, and this is where it starts to get a bit more festive, you see. So I've got my two Technique eyeshadow brushes. They're a bit dirty, but who cares? Right, I've never tried this eye look before, so pray for me. I'm just dipping into Red Velvet, which is this really deep red here, to go in my crease. Wow, I've got to be careful with this, or this could go very, very wrong. I'm also just using the Roxy Ultra Burst palette. So now the red is on, I'm actually going to go in with a bit of green. So I'm going to go in with Dinosaur. Wow, this, I do not know what this is going to look like. I'm going to look like a nice Christmas tree. I'm thinking, yeah, that's going on quite well. I'm going to put a bit of concealer on for this bit. Now I'm going to do this bit and then we'll put this concealer on for the last shade. Okay, so I've just put the green on, and now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grab my Revolution concealer and my concealer brush, and I'm just going to try and do I don't know what it's called. Cut crease, is it called cut crease? I don't know. I'm just gonna put concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so concealer is on one eyelid. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this really dirty brush again. And I'm going to go in with the shade, this shade. It's called Botanical or something like that. If this don't work, I'm going to have to go in with my finger. But hopefully this works. Oh my god. Oh my, this is amazing. Wow. And that is the eye look that I'm going for, I guess. I guess it sort of turned out how I wanted it to. Sort of. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. You don't need to see it all again, do you? Let's be honest. My camera stopped recording. Welcome back. I was just finishing off this last eye. So this is what the eyes are looking like at the moment. I mean, what do we think? I'd say it's not too bad. I'm just going to go a little bit under the eye as well. It might brighten it up a bit, it might make it look a bit better. I think that's made it look a bit better. Well, we'll see once mascara's on, because mascara always makes it look better, right? Yeah? So the last thing that I'm going to, well, not the last thing, nearly last thing I'm going to go on to is lips. I'm just going to use this lip liner because I have no red lip liner, and red is the colour I'm going to use because I've used it on my eyes. It's a very festive colour. I need to get a red lip liner. But it don't matter because it's going to be covered up by red lipstick. Oh yeah, by the way, this is just a lip liner from Primark. And I'm actually going to testing out the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. Not sure what shade this is. This is American Doll. I've had these for so long and I haven't tried them out yet. I've just been waiting for an occasion to try them out. I can't get it out. So I'm going to try this liquid lipstick out. This looks so red. Right. It smells so weird though. Wow. This lip colour is absolutely amazing. Look how red it is. You just have to be super careful when you're applying it because you know it could get everywhere. I mean, I wouldn't say my eye looks too bad. I'm just going to try and blend it out again one last time. If anyone has any Christmassy eye looks, please do let me know. But yes, time to apply mascara. But actually, before I do that, I'm going to apply my setting spray. I like to apply my setting spray before mascara now, just so my mascara don't run. So and let's just waft it dry. Right, I'm nearly dry, so I'm just going to pop on my mascara. I'm going to use the Revolution mascara. Love this mascara. I haven't used another mascara in the longest time. Oh, I got my mirror all wet and I can't see. That's a bit better. I think mascara will make this eye look a little better. Right, mascara is on and this is my makeup look. Let me just take my headband out. And this is my Christmassy makeup look. Please do let me know what you think in the comments. This is the eyeshadow. I don't think it actually turned out too bad, and the lipstick just makes everything look so much Christmassy, and the highlighter. So yes, if you did enjoy this, please remember to smash the like button, subscribe down below, let me know if there's any other videos you want me to do, and I'll see you next time. Bye.